Longer hair can be aging as we get older. Shorter hair is livelier and tends to lift the face as opposed to having really long hair. Longer hair draws the face down, and that will make you look even older. So it might be worth considering a cut. For example, let's compare before and after this beautiful woman. Doesn't she look more graceful, chic, stylish, youthful and elegant after a haircut? In her probably 20s and 30s, the ponytail, long hair was perfect. But now in her 50s, this bob haircut does better. What if you prefer long hair but still want to look younger with long hair? Subscribe and hit that notification bell for our next video. Bye for now.